Hey, it's Filet, and you're watching Filet TV, the ultimate YouTube channel. I'm no cinematographer, just a dude with a camera. All right, people, get ready for this. I am getting ready to ruin this perfectly good 1967 Bug. It's a beater, but it's running, driving, starts. Good car. Anyways, this car started life as a project that somebody gave me a chassis. And then I had a Baja body ditched out in the desert. I went and scored that and brought it home. And I was going to put together a Baja because it's been a while since I had one. I just wanted to tromp around on something. Then I found this other 67 body out in the desert for sale for just a couple $100. So I got it because it was a little bit nicer, and I, wanted a sedan at the time. So I decided I was going to put together a sedan. So I did. Got it, all the parts I needed, and it's one of those kind of cars that every time you have a part you don't want to throw away, you just throw it on this car. So fast forward to now, this is what we've got going on, and I want to build a Baja, so we're going to use this as our platform, since it's licensed, running and driving, and ready to go. All right, so we're going to take a closer look, and I'm going to show you exactly why I'm going to turn this lovely black 67 into a Baja Bug. All right, so if this is something you're interested in, let's get started.
Okay, if you know anything about me, I've always got a bunch of Volkswagens stacked up around, whether they're dune buggies or cow bugs. I just always have multiple at one time. And then this past year, I've been playing around with a little 67 Heaven, and I just happen to have a bunch of 67 Bugs. Since I happen to have this extra bug laying around, I decided, why not do something different? I thought about building one of these bug RVs. I thought it'd be pretty cool. I thought a, bug truck would really bitchin', or a vintage Baja. And then I remembered the original concept was a Baja. And then I saw this photo, and once I saw this photo, I thought for sure, got to be a vintage Baja. So I put ChatGPT to work and came up with a couple concepts, and that's when I decided my black car needs to be a Baja. All right, let's see if we can take a little closer look. It does look good from far, but it's far from good, trust me. Anyways, the bumpers actually bolt on and are nice and strong, which is always a good thing. You can see it's been banged up underneath here. You can see lots of daylight comes through. It's all banged up here. It's missing the bracket to mount the jack. This is bent here, and the gas tank has a little bit of a tough time fitting in there. Some of the wiring is intact. I've been working on it, getting some of it going. Doesn't look that bad. And like I said, it's bumper is nice and strong. Okay, the dash has been chopped up here and up here. It's been bent so I can put a bigger stereo in, so that's pretty ugly. Let's see if it'll start. Oh, man. H03 case in it, so it's got the original motor. Fenders are shot all the way around. That's pretty hashed up. And the exhaust outlet's been filled really poorly, lots of Bondo. See, the clip has been replaced at least once, so that's pretty trashed. It's got an electric antenna, which is Frenched in. That's kind of cool. And again, the bumpers pretty solid, mounting pretty good in there. Like I said, fenders are trashed. Deck loop's nice. Vents are nice. All in all, I think it's going to make a great Baja. Doors need to be lined up because I had to replace those. But then again, not a bad car. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is we are gonna get it up on blocks and get the bumpers and fenders and hoods and running boards and all that kind of stuff off. I want to kind of leave it running and driving because I want to be able to move it around here just for a couple of days until my Baja kit gets here. All right, stay tuned. All right, as simple as that. We got the first fender off. Of course, bumper's off first, then we get the fender off. And as you can see, it's a little crunchy in here. A little crunchy in there, and you can see by the ruby red apron that that's been changed. All right, let's get this other fender off. All right, now that the fenders are off, and the running boards are off, let's take another look at how crunchy that is. And then out back, that bumper mount doesn't look too bad, but you can see we've had that apron's been replaced at least once or twice. And that one's pretty beat. Oh, look at that, 67 only. Reverse light bracket. All right, we're gonna just go ahead and wait on some parts to be delivered. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the hood and deck lid off. And we're gonna continue with the build. Okay, yes people, this is really gonna happen. I got my cut there and I've got my cut on the other side. I just gotta finish it off and then we're pulling this rear clip off. All right, little Sawzall, little angle grinder, and we got the back apron off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bolt on that exhaust so I can scrape it up and paint it. All right, step 1, 2 or 3, who knows which one we're at. All right, a little cutting, grinding and cussing. We got ourselves a Baja. All right, you can see just how trash that thing was. Either way, it was gonna have to be changed. All right, stay tuned, more coming. All right, and at the end of the day, this is where we stand. I did a quick whack job on the front end. I'm still gonna clean it up a bit on the bottom there. Back here, it's cut off, ready to go. The exhaust is all clean and painted, ready to bolt back together. All right, tomorrow's gonna be fun.